still extracting P&ID data manually? In many projects, P&IDs are received as PDFs, and key information must be rebuilt in structured formats. PIDtoExcel simplifies this process by generating lists, MTOs, and CAD files with no effort from your end. First, visit PIDtoExcel.com. Upload a drawing, enter your email, and enable NDA protection if required. A payment link is then sent to your email. Once payment is complete, the system extracts key elements from the P&ID. If Human in the Loop is enabled, an agent reviews the deliverables and makes the necessary corrections. The results are delivered directly via email within 24 to 48 hours. The output includes structured data such as tags, lines, and instruments, ready to use in Excel-based workflows. In addition, DXF output can be generated, enabling integration with CAD workflows and reducing manual redrawing. PIDtoExcel, a practical way to move from P&IDs to usable data with significantly less manual effort.